Egyptian mathematics, Egyptian method for sum of unit fractions. Example 5.9. Rewrite 8/19 as the sum of unit fractions. So we want to start with what times 19 is equal to 8. Now this example is quite difficult because 19 has no divisors. It's a prime number, so we're going to have to be working with a lot of fractions. Please learn how to use that fraction button on your calculator because it makes the calculations so much easier. So I'm going to begin with 1/2. Now 1/2 of 19 is going to be 9 1/2, so that's way too big. So let's start with 1/3. 19 times 1/3 is 6 1/3. And again, what you want to do is you want to take 19 times 1/3 on your calculator, and then all you have to do is to use the up arrow to change the denominator, and you can keep multiplying 19 by some fraction. All right, let's see what we have left. 8 minus 6 1/3. And again, I can do this on my calculator also, just to show you, using that same button, you just simply do 8 minus 6 1/3 like that. That's how the calculator would write 6 1/3. And each time you want that backward comma symbol, you would press that A and B over C button. So 8 minus 6 1/3 is 1 2/3. Now, I know how to get a 1. I simply need to do 1 over the denominator. So that's going to give me my 1. To get my 2/3, however, is a little trickier. But I do have a formula for 2 over n. So what I could do is I could use my formula for 2/3. Okay, I'm going to have 1 over 3 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3 times 3 plus 1 over 2. And this is going to be 1 over 2 plus 1 over 6. So I know that 2/3 is equal to 1/2 plus 1/6. It's a good idea to kind of keep that in your hat in case you run into 2/3 again. You can always remember that 2/3 is equal to 1/2 plus 1/6. So I know I need a 1/2 and I need a 1/6. And I can use that, I don't want to call it a formula, but you can use that method for getting 1 over n to get these numbers. All right, so to get 1/2, it's going to be 1 over 2 times 19. And to get 1/6, it's going to be 1 over 6 times 19. And so this is 1 over 38, and this works out to be 1 over 114. So all these numbers are used. So we need to use all these numbers. So there's 4 unit fractions in this solution. So let me write that down so we can see the final solution. 8 over 19 is equal to 1/3 plus 1 over 19 plus 1 over 38 plus 1 over 114.